Moving with the sail out. Off the ball. Goodbye. Bora Bora. Thank you for your shelter. Out we go.
What's going on?
Alright. Day one. Coming into the night. Had the cozier up. Now going wing to wing. This is called Mapiti. You can get in there, but thanks. That's the real appropriate.
It's for video. It's for the
We're also having problems with the autopilot and the fact that there's no wind. Everyone's seasick, but I'm making dinner anyways, and we will head to bed with these guys in charge. I don't know about how I feel about that.
Maupiti or Maupeas?
Circle. You don't like my singing in this? Always with these haircuts at sea.
Wait, what?
Shaving it off.
No!
Hands, Darren. Day two. Looking good. Day three. Purple sky. Purple water. Sunrise is coming.
Rory, come here.
We're at sea. There's a tyrant approaching. A little one. Day three.
Go. Mom, you know this girl's rich when she has it. I don't know. Why She's after
Oh, wow, look at that. You're painting with no hands.
Yeah.
It's just a masterpiece.
Yeah. Totally like. Come on, spin, baby.
Floating the boat. Oh, no.
I feel like we need to shove it in there.
Boat.
Let's shove it in there.
Into day four. Different sea. Prepare for this. Keep this hopefully for 4 days, and whether we want to experience something more, we shall see. Moving forward. Waves. Lots of wind. Hot and stuffy.
Oh, real salty one.
There's plenty to salvage there. Wasn't day 4 when I recorded earlier. It was day 5.
Now,
Continue day
what you
5.
do is to get a line
Salvaging.
behind the back side of it.
Mm,
You keep your center of
you're
gravity
super
lower, buddy.
cool. This is no joke. Triple skull. Stay over there. Oh. Day 6. Yesterday was no fun. Today is still rolling. Showers over there. Sunrise. Stay sail. Full sail. Showers over there. wall, back and forth. You know, no big deal. Just big waves coming at me. Big squalls.
I mean, I know some kids. They're not my kids. Just kids.
What time is it?
Tea time.
Hot chocolate time? My high seas? Day 7, wing to wing. Headed down towards Refuge. Reef. Dealing with squall. Alpine squall. Huge seas. Trying to make it there before dark. And to get a reprieve from a trough that'll hit us probably in the night or the next day. And then a lull of no air. Headed to Tonga, day 7. Our little stay sail pole broke in the night. Can't hold that out with a pole anymore. We are trying to fix the preventer in really high seas. Trying to make it to the reef. As you can see, they build higher than our dinghy, and then go under, and we surf white caps, and it goes that way, and we can see the world, and then we go down in a trough. So big. They just swallow us. And then Selkie goes up. Up. For you, Benny. Zap that leukemia, yo. The cyclone. The corner of sand and land. Please give us sanctuary. Look at that. Over there. A boat. In the middle of the Pacific. Land, reef, bit complicated. Good sailing crew.
Sailing it in.
Right, T? Mara, what are you doing? You're an electrical wizard.
I need to show Daddy.
Made a motor work. Good job, scientist. She's powered a pinwheel.
Well, can I try?
Woo! Kite flying. Go get your flippers. They're in the front. Got some swimming, some treacherous weather, and some safety fenders out for catching, and some kites. After studying Ben Franklin. Create a purple coral. taken down our Halloween decorations and we are making some beautiful Thanksgiving decorations. Let's see what we got here. Aww.
Does it look good?
Yes. And we have taken refuge at a reef. It's like a little pool in the middle of the ocean. Hard to make sense. There's people outside. Went for a wonderful swim.
Don't worry what
Making some risotto. Pressure cooker with Brussels. That one. That's what he's doing. Lillian, hello. Tristan, hello. Where's Daddy? How's the sun? Like day 8. Had to pause. Oh, there's Daddy. Checking out the rigging. Ooh, there's a storm over there. But for now, crystal clear. Hi, Laura. Tristan has made it. Look at this. That's some nice water in the middle of the Pacific. Last morning here in Beverage Reef. In the night our floating chain twisted up. In order to get it up, we're all swimming on it. Make sure we won't hurt any coral when it comes up. And Tristan did some midnight laundry. And the water is crystal blue. And we are so grateful. There's my shadow. And Lori and Laura practicing on the diving.
I'll say couple bars up. Couple bars up.
Going.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Wait, is it like all real?
It's real. Did not know we had the womp womp. Womp womp. Light winds means nice sailing. Got the stay and the mane and the wampa. Purple people eater. Out on the big blue. Keeping it real with the T-Man. Yeah, heading into the pass out of Beverage, our safe sanctuary during a storm. A good play spot.
It's my new favorite island because there's no land here.
Day 11. Kids have gone tribal, fighting over the last of the frozen blueberries. Very slow moving, all sails out. Sea is settled, nice and calm. On our way. Here goes. Going. Gonna get you on tape. This is tape. I'm a child from the 80s. There it goes. Whee! There it goes. Perfect. Passing under Niue. And a big spring roll night. Day 12. I think. Kind of lose track of days. Been motoring. Now we're going 2 knots and 6 knots of wind. Get there tomorrow or Monday. We shall see. A whole lot of chili mixing in a bowl. Just a whole lot of chili. Lucky day number 13. Tonga. Sighted. Here we come.
And it started to ruin my legs. Oh, if we don't get to the bathroom and we can't find the door, there'll be 1, 2, 3 pounds of poo on the bathroom floor.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Isn't
Right
that
outside of
just a
Tonga.
nice